What up, YouTube? Now I have another Amazon unboxing video. Before I start this video, I'd like to say please give a like and subscribe. It helps me a lot to see you guys are loving my videos and stuff. But anyways, I'll keep going, but just please give subscribe and a like. So we're just gonna open this from right here. That's all we need to do. You don't have to damage the box. So I'm just gonna put that away. So we're just gonna lift this up like this. We're just gonna lift it to the top. I'm just gonna open it up regularly and see what it is. It is a much soldering iron. No, that you use to for controllers and stuff to change the LED lights. So that's what I'll be doing soon. Or not actually doing with you guys, just doing by myself and stuff. Cause yeah. So this is all for this video. This is just a soldering iron that I needed. So I'll see you guys another day. This is already open, as you see. Wish I had a bigger piece of soldering iron, but I do not really care. These have an adult. Do not know what this is, but okay, bye.